Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate two WhatsApp accounts and applications on your POCO X3 GT. So if you need the second WhatsApp account with the separated context numbers message, of course, go to the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the WhatsApp Business app. Choose the WhatsApp Business, and by this quick way we have a two WhatsApp application on one phone. That was the first method. Now the second one, go to if you need more WhatsApp accounts or maybe the WhatsApp Business doesn't work for you, look for the dual space app. Choose one of them. I was using the two accounts app, decide that you want to get notifications and agree the terms. Allow permissions to files, tap on the WhatsApp and whole process starting automatically, and now we are creating the next WhatsApp application on one phone. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.